do you make of all this? Well, joining me now is Naeem Aslam, who's Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade. It's great to have you here with us in the Gherkin. So, lots for you to look at here in the last hour, and lots to keep you busy. What's more important here?
I think both events are equally important, but the non-farm payroll is the talk of the day, without a doubt. 288,000, that is a massive number, when Street was expecting 215,000k. Now, let me walk you through this number. That means that the average between January until today, we have over 218,000 jobs per month in the US. So if you're looking at the chart, you have to go back all the way to 1999 to get this kind of a gain in a consecutive 5-month period.
And in terms of, that of course means that they're creating jobs at an incredible rate, and that in turn suggests that the economy is gathering pace. At the same time, 17,000 on the down. We saw the GDP figures were great for the US. Is this a bit of an overreaction?
Yes, it's obviously an overreaction. 17,000 is a big number for Dow. Now we will be talking about S&P 500 reaching up to 2,000.
Which is the wider index.
Which is a wider index. But here's an important thing. Now the more pressure is going to be on Janet Yellen. She's going to increase the interest rate, because that was certainly the talk of the day yesterday during her meeting. But there are a few things which we think are very important before she can increase the interest rate. Number one is the geopolitical tensions around the world.
Yeah.
Ukraine and Russia, the tensions are back on the front. And now we are talking about Iraq, Iran, and then perhaps they can bring Turkey in that. That's going to bring a huge conflict. No one wants to raise interest rates when you have a geopolitical tensions around the world. Secondly is the financial crisis. Markets, as you said, 17,000, they have already exceeded it. Now it is, overstretched number, because the confidence level before we have reached a such number before 2000 was 85.5. And that is the number now. Before that was 144.
It's extraordinary, isn't it? Well, as you say, lots of things there for Janet Yellen to look at as the head of the Federal Reserve before she thinks about what to do next with interest rates. Thank you. And whereas security checks are tightened on those transatlantic routes, a new budget airline